What's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review. Today we're looking at a CSGO inspired tiger striped gold knife. This thing is pretty cool. Now, right here, let's take a look at this belt clip right off the bat. It does seem to be fairly loose right there, large divot, so it's probably going to be able to slide in your pocket a good bit. But I wish they would have incorporated it a little bit higher, but it doesn't look like they could have, so I guess they maximized the length on where that pocket clip's going to go. This is going to be sticking out of your pocket a good bit. What is that, about a ½ inch? So right here, you can see, nice plastic handle, but this has got the G10 nylon handle. I shouldn't have said plastic. So it's going to be a little bit sweat resistance. This is a manual opening, but you see how smooth that is? Single hand deployment right there. Single hand close, no problem at all. Got your dual thumb studs on it. Right down here you have just a simple liner lock. But golly, you see how fast that thing? I mean, it's smooth. Now, the cool thing about it, y'all check this out. Right here, you can take this belt clip off, put it right there for your lefties, and they've incorporated the dual thumb studs right there. So that is a really cool thing that I do like. So let's slide this thing open. Bam. Let's take a look at this blade. Got a trailing point blade on it right here. Sharp point. 1/4 serrations, 2/3 straight blade right here. Got a thumb ramp with the jimpings right here that they've incorporated into the blade. The feel on this thing is actually really nice. Right here they've got these finger grooves right here. So with my hands, of course all hands are going to be a little bit different, but they fit mine really nice. So they've got that thumb ramp right there to stop, go, and the choil, you don't really have one right there to choke up on it, but that would be nice. So you got to really stay back here. But guys, that's it. Just a quick review on this knife. If you're thinking about getting it, I will leave a link in the description below, and I will see y'all in the next one.